What's up, everyone? I want to take some time to talk about my different consulting services I have available at Surfside PPC for Google Ads. So if you're interested in Google Ads consulting, basically I can do an audit, set strategy, go through your entire account, kind of from start to finish, and really go through conversion tracking, targeting, bidding, landing pages, ads, everything in between that we can possibly find to figure out why your Google Ads are working, not working, things that you can do to improve them. So I've probably done over 100 consulting sessions over the last couple of years. So I've done a lot of them, different industries. If you're not sure if I'll be able to help, you could always contact me first. But the different packages I have available right now, I have an ongoing package. So I do think this is a really, really good value for most businesses. If you're looking for somebody that I need you to help me just keep my Google Ads on track, I need you to help me set my strategy. I just need somebody to help me manage this. The consulting is probably the way to go. I do offer bulk rates if you have multiple accounts. So if you have 10 accounts that you're like, I want you to try to look at these with me. It's one of those things where I can spend a couple hours in each of the accounts every month and we can have an hour-long phone call. So for this one, ongoing phone calls, basically once per month we'll have a phone call, go over your account. It works pretty well that way, and it's a pretty good price for what you would probably end up saving on Google Ads. Now, the other options are buying one session at a time, 2 sessions at a time, which there's a discount, or 3 sessions at a time. So basically with one session, and I might just make this all into one big product page, but for right now it's 4 separate products. One session, 90 minutes to 2 hours, at least 90-minute session, go through everything in your account. I do active work in the account on the call. So if it's something where you're like, yep, I'm interested in you helping me reconfigure my campaigns, I have launched brand new campaigns on the call. Google Ads Consulting 2 sessions and 3 sessions are good if you're like, I want you to help me set strategy, I want you to help me get things on track, and then I want to follow up with everything so that we can make sure that everything's working. So that's really the best way to do it too, is having multiple sessions. Sometimes one session is really good for the audit and strategy, just going over that high level overview. 2 sessions, 3 sessions, ongoing consulting makes it easier for me to just kind of keep working with you and improving things that are happening in your account. I will say Google Ads is more of a long-term type of strategy at this point. Not that it takes, a forever to actually get it working, but it's not something where you're going to launch and, a week from today, it's just going to be working perfectly. It takes some time. It takes some data. The more data you have, the better. So basically what I'm going to go through on our call is every single strategy that's working for me, every single thing that you're wasting money on in your account, and basically all the things you need to do to be successful with Google Ads. So if you're interested in it, basically to get started, you could either go to this ongoing one that will sign you up for ongoing. We can set an ongoing meeting schedule. That's what we'll do. The other ones, 1 session, 2 sessions, and 3 sessions. When you go in, basically when you purchase consulting, then you can see I have my Calendly here. Basically, you're going to sign up the schedule right on my Calendly, and from there we'll do the call, we'll do a Google Meet, and go through everything in your account. So pretty simple to get started. You can book on Surfside PPC or on Surfside Courses, same exact thing, and we can do a Google Ads consulting session. So any questions, always reach out, just contact me, email me directly. But this will be my Google Ads consulting for 2026, and you can get it very easily at my website. So if you do purchase, I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you, and I will talk to you on my next video.